Before solving the mental maths problems, I'll discuss all the angles in one page. So, what I've written here? Adjacent angles, linear pair of angles, vertically opposite angles, complementary angles, and supplementary angles. I'll compare all the angles in one page so that you will find out all the points related to the angles. So here adjacent angles, before I have discussed everything and all. So what here I have written, just I will explain. I will not take so much time from you because I will start mental maths problem next. So here only just overview. Again, one adjacent angle, I have drawn this ABC and BD is the common arm. So B is the common vertex. So we got two angles, that is ABD and DBC, which are adjacent to each other. So ABD angle and CBD angle are adjacent angles. So here what? Now one common arm, that is BD, one common vertex, that is B, and distinct angles. These are the distinct angles. They are not a part of each other, but not a part of other angle. So these are the distinct angles. Then we will say to be an adjacent angles of each other when they are distinct. So ABD angle is an adjacent angle of CBD. Now next is linear pair of angles. In linear pair of angles, here you can able to see the non-common. This is the common arm and these are the non-common arms PQ and QR, and the PQ and QR are just opposite to each other. So they are making one linear pair of angles because here these two angles are present in a line and they are making together 180 degree. So PQ is a linear pair of angles of SQR. These two pairs are linear pair of angles because PQS plus SQR is equal to 180 degree always. So these are two adjacent angles, but their non-common arm are QP and QR are always opposite to each other. Are always opposite. This QR, it is in this direction, and QP, it is in other direction. They are just opposite to each other. So these are the linear pair of vertically opposite angles. So the two lines are cross each other at a common point O. When they cross each other at a common point O, they are making two angles just opposite to each other and are known as vertically opposite angle. So this angle is equal to this angle always, and this angle will be always equal to this angle. So VOW, this angle is equal to UOX, and WOU angle is equal to VOX angle. So they are always equal. Why? The WX and UV meet at intersection point O. They are intersecting each other and meet at the point O always. So every time there's two adjacent angle, this is adjacent to this angle, this is adjacent to this angle, and these two adjacent angles always will be 180 degree because they will form a linear pair of angles, and this angle will be added to this angle. Also, these adjacent angles always make a linear pair of angles, and that their sum will be always 180 degree. So, all adjacent angles form a linear pair of complementary angles. In complementary angles, can able to see they are forming 90 degree. The two adjacent angles, if we will add together, they are making 90 degree. So ABD angle plus DBC angle or CBD angle is always equal to 90 degree. They are separately drawn. Then ABD angle is 46 degree, and CBD angle, if I'll take, it's 44 degree. If we'll add together, it's giving 90 degree. Then these two angles are complementary to each other. Okay, so ABD and CBD angle are complementary angle of each other. Next is supplementary angles. The supplementary angles are nothing but, if we'll take a linear pair of angles, is a best example for the supplementary angles. The sum of these two angles will be always equal to 180 degree. But if they are representing separately, then if they are sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree, then those angles are supplementary to each other. So for example, I have taken here 135 degree. This PQS I have taken 135 degree, and SQR is equal to 45 degree. If we will add these two angles, they are giving 180 degree. Then these two angles are supplementary angles of each other. So every time all the linear pair of angles are supplementary angles, but all the supplementary angles are need not to be the linear pair of angles. So all the angles are compared in a single page. So just go through it, note down by pausing your videos, and just remember, because it's easy to remember, easy to distinguish all the angles, so that you will never forget.
The remaining concepts will be discussed in the next video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my new uploads on other topic. If you are understanding all the concepts, like my video and share with your friends to get the benefits. And most importantly, don't forget to ask doubt in my description box where you will get my WhatsApp link. Thank you.